Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to unlock an iPhone X using one of the most popular and authentic web-based tools available. If you're interested in unlocking other iPhone models like the 7, 8, 11, 13, 14, or even the new iPhone 15, stay tuned because I'll be covering those in upcoming videos. Alright, let's dive right in. The tool we're using today allows you to unlock iCloud on a variety of iPhone models, including the iPhone X. Here's what you'll need: a stable internet connection, your device's IMEI number. To find your IMEI number, simply dial 06 on your device. Once you have the IMEI number, you're ready to begin the unlocking process. Open your browser and visit iCloudSpider.com. This is the website where we'll carry out the unlocking process. Now follow all the steps. Click on Unlock My Device. Now you need to clear this CAPTCHA now. Write the exact words or number you see. Now put your IMEI number that we find in first step. Now wait until this loading ends. To complete the unlock process, you'll need a verification token. You can learn more about it on the FAQ page of the website. Here's how to get your verification token. Go to the offers page on iCloudSpider.com. Choose an offer from the list. I recommend picking one from the top. Follow the instructions carefully. Turn off ad blockers. Some essential components of the page may not load if ad blockers are active. Follow all steps. For example, if the offer requires email verification, complete it properly. Take your time. Rushing might cause errors. Keep in mind, the available offers might differ depending on your location. If you don't want to see this part, you can 3x this part. After successfully completing the offer, wait a few seconds for the server to verify. If you aren't redirected to the token page, retry the offer or choose a different one. Ensure you didn't miss any requirements, like running an app for at least 30 seconds if prompted. Once verified, you'll receive the token needed to unlock your device. Now copy the token and paste it. Wait 5 minutes before activating your device with a new Apple ID. You can try activating right away, but waiting ensures the process completes smoothly. Congratulations, now your Apple devices is finally active. And that's it, a simple and effective way to unlock your iPhone using a web-based tool. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments below. I'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.